Here was Germany, which experienced all the horrors of the Nazi totalitarian state in the 1930s. Here is Germany, which after the war, under the Erhard policy of Sozialmarktwirtschaft, social market economy, had an economic miracle with an enormous rise in total income, enormous rise in the well-being of the German people, of the ordinary people. And yet, in Germany, despite the demonstration of the horrors on the one side of a totalitarian state, and on the other, of the benefits of a relatively free market, here in Germany you will find a very large fraction of all intellectuals have become even more strongly anti-capitalist, have become proponents of collectivism of one form or another. Only a small number have gone into the more extreme versions that you've been reading about in the paper of the terrorists. But a very large fraction of the intellectuals, those who write for the newspapers, those who are on television and so on, are fundamentally anti-capitalist in their mentality. And the question is why? What is it that has produced this shift? Now, one of the most, or not the shift, what is it that produces this consistent attitude of anti-capitalism on the one hand and pro-something called collectivism on the other among intellectuals?